Elmira here. You can see the fire burning, cooktop angles. These are your damper controls located at the bottom. Your hook handle to be able to lift up the stove. You guys, and show you the rear view around the back of the stove. This is what the back side of your gas burners would look like here. The back side of your leg option. Get up, show you cooktop, burner details, the knobbing, inside your closet, what that's gonna look like. Show you guys inside the big baking oven. They do have a very large baking oven here on the Elmira. And that's your 360-degree view on the Elmira.